Hey, what's up guys? Airsoftman819 here with another airsoft gun review. Let me start off this review by saying that most of my videos will not be in HD format, sadly. The very low memory laptop I have just cannot take HD video well. It takes a long time to upload it. So most of my videos will be in the standard 480 output. But some of the shorter shooting tests and stuff like that will be in HD. But this should be clear enough to where you guys can see it pretty well. So today's review is going to be on a really rare one. The Maruzen Micro Uzi Blowback. This is a gas blowback powered micro Uzi made in Japan by Maruzen. This is the box, just a standard cardboard box. There's nothing on the sides of it or anything. It's just got a sticker telling you what it is and giving you a few parameters here about the length, the width, the height, and the weight. Gives you a little warning. This is the one that's licensed by Cybergun. This is a little more rare. So yeah. And at the time, it was the only authorized soft air gun importer in the US. So this came along before Umarex started importing. So this is an old gun. So get the box out of the way. Here's the gun itself. The Maruzen Micro Uzi Blowback. Let me remove the mag real quick to give us a little more room. I'll talk about that in a sec. So here it is. This is made in Japan by Maruzen, so you know it's going to be good quality. But this is not as good quality as I would expect from Maruzen. It's all plastic, literally. The whole receiver, the bolt handle on the top here, the sights, the muzzle, the trigger guard, the grip, the fake grip safety, which normally on a real one this would be a grip safety. That's just molded plastic. It's just a big giant hunk of plastic. The only metal parts on the outside are your mag release right here, your safety, and your trigger. And a few of the choice internal parts in the bolt are metal. But the bolt itself and the chamber are plastic. A little look on the inside of it there. A little look at the guts of it. So yeah, but it is surprisingly solid. It is one of the most solid machine pistols that I've ever used. I've put hundreds and hundreds of rounds through this thing and it's never failed. But it's a very simple gun and it's very simple to operate, meaning that it'll probably last longer because there's fewer parts to break. You have a simple safety here. You can see the red indicator for it being on fire. Just push it back, clicks very positively. You cannot pull the trigger. You can still cock the bolt, but you just can't fire it. You turn the safety off, you can. Fires from an open bolt, so when you pull the charging handle back on the top, it locks the bolt open and the charging handle returns forward. So it's a non-reciprocating charging handle. The only purpose of the charging handle is just to cock it. And you can see now it's ready to fire. When I pull the trigger, it'll fire and strip around for the mag and fire and just keep firing. So yeah. It is gas blowback, meaning that it is gas powered. It takes a gas mag, of course. It uses the same 50 round mags as the Maruzen M11 or Mac 11, whatever you want to call it. Even says it on the bottom of the mag there. You got a Japanese style gas fill valve, meaning that there's no O-ring in there, so when the mag is completely full, gas will start spewing out. It's a split mag, meaning it's two mags pinned together, so you want to be careful and keep it lubed up so it doesn't leak. It's all metal. Even the feed lips are metal. The follower that you pull down, it's metal as well. So it's a very solid mag. Does not have a locking mechanism, so what you do is you just pull the follower down and hold it. The spring's pretty weak, so it's not very hard. And the opening's pretty easy. You just drop them right in. You don't even have to push them. You just drop them. You could probably use a speed loader if you wanted, but these 50 round double stacks take a little care of loading because if you don't stack them properly, it'll jam. So the mag fits nicely inside the gun. Makes a nice clank when it seats properly. And it's not going to come out. So, and you just, it's the paddle type. So this little serrated part here, you just push that and the mag comes right out. I would only recommend using duster gas with this gun. The fact that it is all plastic and it's an old gun and it's made in Japan, so it's got all three of those factors. Here's the trademarks. I've highlighted them in white. There's Maruzen Co. Ltd. JASG, made in Japan. Flip it around. 6mm BB. And I got the F and S on fire and safe marked. It's only full auto. There's no semi feature, so there's only full auto and safe. So yeah. The rounds per minute's probably around 1,200 with duster gas and around, I don't know, 1,700 with green gas. I have fired green gas in this gun, although I recommend you not do that. So yeah, this has been my review of my rare airsoft gun, the Maruzen Micro Uzi Blowback. This one has been dated to around the year 1999. This gun was made from 1998 to 2006. The 1998 ones are a lot more rare than this. But yeah, and I would be willing to sell this gun if I was made a good offer on it. So this gun is up for sale, kinda. Just if you're interested, just leave me an offer and I'll see what I can do. So this has been my quick review on the Maruzen Micro Uzi Blowback. Thanks for watching, guys.